MorewaTV, it's your girl Morewa, and today we are going to be preparing watermelon and pineapple juice. So first, I will show you the following things that we need. First, our pineapple, then our watermelon. But first, I want to cut our watermelon into slices like this. But we will also need a bowl to slice it in like this. As you can all see. As you can all see, I have sliced my watermelon into a bowl. Now, time for the second one. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give my videos a huge thumbs up, and turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video. And please don't forget to comment down in the comment section if you love my videos and what other videos I should post next on my channel. So now we're done with cutting our watermelon. Now we put on the jump starts. First, we'll add our pineapple. Now this is coming out through here. Now we'll add our, wow, see the color mixture. So tasty. Looks so tasty. Looks delicious. Looks very good to eat. Now I am going to put the remaining of the watermelon and pineapple in each bowl. Add more watermelon and more pineapple. Watermelon and pineapple are very juicy. They have a lot of juice. They hydrate you a lot. It has a lot of water and it has nutrients and vitamins in it. So that is why it is good to take watermelon and pineapple juice. You can serve it chilled. It's very nice and refreshing. And I'm going to continue adding more pineapple and watermelon into the feed box. Wow, it looks so tasty. As you can all see, now I'm going to add more pineapple. Press it down. Now it is full. Looks so tasty. Now I'm going to turn it into this jar. Looks so tasty. As you can all see. Sorry. As you can all see, looks so tasty. So filled with vitamins, nutrients. It is very healthy and very good to drink. You can serve it chilled. Now I am done with blending, juicing the watermelon and pineapple, and I also have my brother here with me.
Welcome back to MorewaTV. Make sure you give it a thumbs up,
So he said he would like to join me during the taste test of our watermelon and pineapple juice. So now it is time to pour it into our glass. Looks so tasty and delicious. I have served the juice and now it is time for us to drink it. So tasty and delicious. Very sweet and delicious. You should try this out at home. It is very nice. How does it taste, Shekon?
It tastes delicious.
Good. That is why it is good to drink your fruits, your juices. Like that is why it is good to drink watermelon and pineapple juice. It is very healthy and nutritious. And watch out, stay tuned because I am going to be showing a product review of this jump start machine. A lot of people have been asking me, how does it work? How can they set it up and where can they get it from? Very soon I will tell you about that in the next video. So stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a huge thumbs up, turn on post notification bell to be notified when I upload any new video, and please don't forget to comment down in the comment section if you love my videos and what other videos I should post next.
See you guys next time. Bye.